What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys checking out the previous videos of me doing blunt cut on my wife and the last scissor over comb haircut that I did. Today we're gonna be doing a high fade with my clippers. Finally got my clipper kit from school. So my buddy Jake told me that he'd be down for it. So if you like the videos that I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe. Shoot some comments below. Let me know if you got any tips or if you just wanna say what's up. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you and enjoy.
Like, what did you do? See, me, hair grows back, you know? It is what it is.
Dan, I presume you trust me a little bit, because you're a good fucking friend, dude.
If it was a fucking tattoo, I'm not gonna lie, Nick, I'm not gonna be your third person you're doing a tattoo on.
I wouldn't even trust myself tattooing.
Well, I started today.
Oh, this is my first day actually. It honestly doesn't look bad.
I'm trusting you. Like I said.
I don't know if I'm using the wrong guard, but this motherfucker's not. If this doesn't blend out, I'm just gonna try something else. It honestly doesn't look bad right now. It's just, honestly, I just need to get these lines out, and then do this top part, and then cut your top. So. Alright, so just finished my first high fade. As you can see, it didn't turn out too bad. I was actually really happy with how it turned out. There was still a little bit, like a slight bit of a line in there, which it's like mostly blended, but a little bit of a line there. My buddy has some weird spots. Well, his hair is all different around his head, so he's got coarse hair, he's got fine hair. It was all different, so some areas I was using a technique and it blended perfectly. Some spots I had a hard time doing that. What you guys didn't see is when I started fading and I started working those lines out, something happened with my clippers where they just got really loud. So I had to stop the haircut and take my clippers apart and figure out why I was making that noise. I ended up, obviously because I completed the haircut, I ended up being able to fix it and tighten things up and readjust the blade and get everything, you know, get everything as it needed to be, so I could finish cutting the hair. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably rate this first one. It wasn't horrible. Hey, this is the learning process. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you would like, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to get the word out there. And if you happen to be in Rochester, New York, and you want a haircut, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can just message me through there.